What's up, guys? All right, today we are going to show you how we like to carve our turkey. So we've got the turkeys all done. We've let it rest for about 30 minutes, so it's actually starting to just relax. Now we're going to walk you through how we break it down. So I usually keep a boning knife just because I want to actually separate the breast from the bones, and then a slicing knife as well. So here we go. All right, so first we're actually gonna separate the breast. The reason we're doing that is a lot of times you'll see people just will slice a turkey this way, but really only the first person in line gets the best bite and everyone else gets part with no seasoning. So we're gonna take the breast off and then slice it down. Oh yeah. Woo! That bird juicy. All right. So here's what we do. So we've already got it. We take this whole thing off. So you've got your skin that you work so hard. You've got all this flavor in here. So then we're going to take our slicing knife and slice it. That way everyone gets a bite of all that flavor. All right, so we've removed those turkey breasts from the breastbone. We've sliced it out. Guys, I'm telling you, if you've got a large family or a big gathering, you can make one turkey go a long way slicing it this way, where you can get pieces. Most people grab 2 or 3 slices. It's perfect. Then you've got the rest of the turkey here. You can still actually get a lot of this meat that's close to the bone. You can pull that white meat off, and then basically your legs and your thighs, along with your wings, you can bust them off, pull those, chop them up. Either way, listen, this 14-pound bird will go a long way. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let us know. And we're wishing you guys a very blessed Thanksgiving.